Prophet Muhammad used to copy the people of the scripture without hearing from Allah, without a revelation from Allah. He used to copy the people of the scripture. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may the peace and blessing of Allah always be with him. So this was a message, a video that I watched on Evangelist Post yesterday. So I decided to check the hadith by myself, because he was actually saying this from the hadith. Then here is the hadith. It says, the prophet used to copy the people of the scriptures in matter in which there was no order from Allah. The people of the scripture used to let their hair hang down, while the pagans used to part their hair. So the prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, let his hair hang down first, but later on he parted it. So here is the hadith. Sahih al-Bukhari 5917, book 77, hadith 132, graded Sahih. So after reading this hadith, I went to my Quran, because I read in a chapter from Quran some times ago. And here is the Quran verse. Quran chapter 53, verse 3 to 4. It's referring to Prophet Muhammad. It says, nor does he speak from his own desire. It is but a revelation revealed. That means Prophet Muhammad will never do anything or say a thing unless it's coming from God. Then, Quran chapter 69, verse 40 to 43 is still referring to him. It says, indeed, the speech of a noble messenger, it is revelation from the Lord of the world. So if this Quran is saying different thing and the hadith is saying different thing, I have some question to ask the Muslim. All those hadiths, is it written by the Muslims, or those hadiths is written by the non-Muslim, or those hadiths is written by the enemy of Islam? Because I'm not getting it. This is like a complete contradiction. Or please, could you please explain this hadith to me? I don't have problem with the Quran. Everything in the Quran, I'm just totally okay with it. It's not as if even if I have problem with the Quran, that I have anything to do about it. But I don't have, honestly, I don't have any, like, Quran is just perfectly okay. So if there is a book that as a Muslim we all believe in, like we believe on those books, not all, a lot of Muslims believe in the hadith, right? And they also believe in Quran. So if this particular book is in any way somehow contradicting the Quran, sorry, or I'm not getting it. Like, maybe I'm not getting the message. Could you please explain this hadith to me? So, my dear Muslim brothers and sisters, please, if you know hadith or you understand this hadith properly, I'm asking this question. Does Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, does he copy the people of the scriptures without hearing from Allah, according to this hadith, or not? Thank you.